Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another amazing video on the channel. Here today, brought to you by yours truly, Scott Tyler. I need to fix my lighting because it's pretty bad, but I'll do that in the future. Today, guys, top 3 Black Friday sales. Let's hop right into it. Black Friday this year is pretty good, I'd say, for the most part. It's like average for the most part. I wouldn't say it's like anything too special on Amazon, but consoles are still like completely sold out, so those are not. Don't even consider buying like an Xbox Series X because you're not gonna be able to find it anywhere. But okay, top 3 products on this list. Number 1, we have a monitor by HP. This is the HP V222 VB. This is a budget monitor that is on sale right now. 1080p. Has HDMI, VGA, stuff like that. This is like as bare bones as a monitor you can get. It's got like blue light filtering on it. I mean, like, the purpose here is 1080p and it's only $99. Any monitor that's under $100, in my opinion, that's 1080p with an HDMI port, and also 75 hertz. Anything above 60 hertz is like phenomenal. So like what you're getting here is a really bang for your buck package. Something that is reliable, a standard monitor with like decent colors. I think it's like a 3001 contrast ratio, which is fine, and it'll get the job done. That's number 1 Black Friday item on my list, because if you need a monitor for like just using your PC or a video game console instead of like a TV, I'd go for it. And if you can get a monitor for honestly anything $100, as I said, it's an absolute steal. So let's move on to number 2 on our list, which is any of the new like Sony headphones / earbuds. Mostly the headphones, because those are like outstanding. They're the same exact price though, which is weird. It's the earbuds compared to the earbuds that they're selling right now, but it's a sale across all Sony's headphones and audio products department. The WH-1000X Mark IV. Yeah, Mark IV. These are like hands down probably the best headphones in that price tier. I'd say they're a little above Bose, just because Bose is like a little more expensive, and honestly these have like the same exact audio quality as Bose headphones, as like the QC, I don't even know what they're on right now, like 35 or something. But these headphones are known for like the best noise cancellation ever. The design is super cool, and you can get the exact same colors for the exact same price. I think it comes in like the black and white and I think tan colors. It's got that cool copper accent for the USB-C charging port. So audio's great, noise cancellation's great, probably best on the market in this price tier. And portable headphones, diverse. You can use them for literally anything. Great set of Bluetooth earbuds, and I believe you can also use them in wired mode, which is good. And they got good battery life, so it's got like 30 hours of battery life, and it should come with a hard shell case as well. So if you want a good pair of headphones, go for the Sonys, because they're on sale for like $248 right now. Normally I think they're $350, and that's an absolute steal for the product you're getting here. So shout out to Sony. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. These are just recommendations I have that I want to tell you guys. Okay, moving on to number 3 on our list, we have a gaming laptop by MSI. This is the GL66. So this thing right over here, it's on my monitor, I'm looking at it. This thing is like insane for the specs you're getting. You're getting like 16 gigs of RAM, which is pretty standard on like a laptop above $1,200. 144 hertz screen, which is, if you haven't experienced 144 hertz yet, you have to, because it'll change your experience. Granted, it will hurt your battery life a decent amount, but it is worth it, in my opinion, for 144 hertz. And it's got an RTX 3070 or something crazy in here. Like, you can literally play like any game, like max settings or ultra settings, 1080p. So it is a 1080p screen. It's not like a 4K screen or anything like that, but it's got a nice 7 11th gen processor in here. And to top it off, a downside of this is like it only has like a 512 gigabyte SSD for some reason. I mean, it's SSD, which is great. It's better than a hard drive for sure. But I don't know why they didn't put in like more storage in this thing. That's one thing, honestly, I think you should upgrade. most laptop like motherboards allow you to upgrade an SSD, get like an M.2 little tiny stick of gum size SSD, put it in there, and yeah, upgrade the memory, because honestly 512 is not going to last you very long. But 15.6 inch display. I mean, you've probably seen this MSI laptop all over Amazon, like, and there's several different models and spec variations of this one. So this one's great because honestly it's like $200 off right now, 14% off. I think that's a good price if you're looking for something with a lot of horsepower at a decent, reasonable price. I'd say like get this if you're into like super productive tasks and like super like graphic intensive tasks, because that's where the GPU with the RTX 3070 is going to come into play. But that's going to be it for my top 3 Black Friday deals, guys. I thought I'd like make this video and like release it on Black Friday just to promote myself in the YouTube algorithm, because we're trying to grow and reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please help me out, road to 1,000 subscribers. And once we get to 1,000, guys, then we're shooting for 10K. And then after 10K, it's going to be 50K. And then after 50K, it's going to be 100K. And I'm going to get that silver play button. And that's my goal on this channel. So if you guys enjoy this video, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy Black Friday, happy Thanksgiving, and happy holidays to all of you guys. Peace out. See you next Wednesday with another banger upload.